What's up, y'all? I'm Kevin, aka FitMenCook. Today I got something for that sweet tooth for you. We're making roasted almond bark. Let's get to it. First thing, we're gonna spread raw almonds on a baking sheet and lightly spray them with olive oil. Roast them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350. Remove them from the oven, but be sure to let them cool. Once they cool down to room temperature, then crush them using a skillet. Look for those stubborn big pieces and just break those apart with your hands. Next, melt dark chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and cook it in increments of 45 seconds. Stir until it's completely smooth. Once it's smooth, fold in the almonds and then spread it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure it's pretty even across the baking sheet, and if desired, add in naturally dried fruit. Top with coarse sea salt for a sweet and salty treat, and if you're not scared, a little Texas heat, some red pepper. Let it cool in the freezer for at least 45 minutes, then break it apart and serve. Now check out these macros. This has been Fueling Gainz. Now remember to come back next week where we are making over your favorite cheats.